There's more than one way to get traffic. Live video is awesome, trendy, modern, and growing, but your customers are everywhere on social media and also on Google. Every day, literally billions of searches are being made on Google and millions of sales are being made as a result. But you're not showing up for any of them and you're not making any of these sales. You and I both know that you're going to have a really tough time ranking for high traffic keywords. But there's an unexplored world of long tail keywords that no one's targeting effectively and you can profit massively from them. The problem, long tail keywords are so many and individually they yield so few visitors that it's not practical or profitable to devote any manual resource to them. You would end up spending more money than you earn. The only way is to automate it. If you could automate everything properly and at a big scale, then you could just sit back, watch that traffic flow in and bank every day without stressing yourself out. All you would need to do is pick a niche and unleash your traffic monster. Think that can't happen? Well, think again. This is Video Jeet, a special upgrade to Livecaster which will let you create 100% automated blogs that help you steal traffic from YouTube, turning it into Google rankings in a 100% legitimate manner. All you need to do is tell Video Jeet your niche, put in your initial keywords, and it'll start an endless process of daily content posting on free video blogs, fresh content all the time. You get guaranteed SEO traffic. Yes, it's a given. It just happens every time without fail. This is the nature of long tail. Target a proper long tail keyword and you're going to rank. In our tests, tons of our pages showed up on the front page for keywords and we didn't move a muscle to make that happen. Video Jeet is a field-proven software with over 8,000 users who have created multiple thousands of blogs in every niche. E-com products, health, marketing, online business, local rankings, it can help you no matter what you do. After this video finishes, watch the demo video below and you will see how effective it can be. And before you go to do that, the most important thing, you can get Video Jeet for an extremely low one-time price here. On its own site, we still sell it for a higher price and it's recurring, so people have to pay it year after year. Yes, because you've got Livecaster, we'll give you the opportunity to get Video Jeet for a one-time price that's lower than what anyone else would pay for it just for the first year. That's not a deal, that's a steal. Go ahead, click the button and make it yours.